In this tutorial, I will show you how to see folder size in Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Just right click on the folder and click on properties. Here you can see folder size. But if you want to see folder size with folder name as the file size appears with the file name, then for this purpose we will install a free app. For this, open any of the browser and search for WinHub and open its official website. Here click on download. After few moments, the download pop-up will appear. Just click on this file that we have just downloaded. Now click on OK, then click on Next, and then again click on Next. Now click on Install and wait for its installation. Then click on Finish. Now click on Browser for modes and in search bar type file size and hit enter. As you can see, it has 5-star rating. Click on Details, then click on Install. Then click on Accept Risk and Install. Now click on Settings and here in Show Folder Size section, click on drop down menu and select Enable Calculated Manually. Can be slow. Then click on Save Settings. Now go back to File Explorer and refresh it. Now folder size will appear just like this. So that's how you can see folder size in Windows 11 in just few easy steps.